Who's on the front page of Google? Look at me, I'm so famous.
How's it going, orthodontist? My name's...
Oh my gosh, look at that kid. I'm literally in my parents' basement. About 6 months ago, I posted this video, what your GoHighLevel influencer isn't telling you. And in it, I talked about how everybody is telling you to get clients with Google Maps outreach, like go on Google Maps and just cold call people, whatever. But really, they're making their money and getting all their deals from content. And I give an example of this kid. He's 19 years old, and he posted himself walking into businesses for AI deals, but he closed a lot more by actually just getting people to DM him and get on his calendar from the content that he posted. And there were a couple misunderstandings here in the comments. Okay, so the thing with posting content is, like, as a beginner, you don't have much experience to know what to talk about that would get clients to convert. Do you think just posting about cold DMing people as a beginner is the way to go? Or like, can you find out your clients' pain points and create content offering them value? How do you go about it? We'll talk about that in this video. This person said your target audience, local business owners, are watching your content on YouTube. Also, we'll address that in this video. And this person, how are local business owners just going to happen to find your contact and take the initiative to buy from you? We're talking a two-step process here. You make the content and use the content for ads, meaning the content strategy doesn't work unless you do the ads as well correct. This does work on different platforms, but I'm going to talk about YouTube because that's the one I have the most experience with. So let's get into it. And what I'm going to show you is proof. So this is my YouTube channel. I actually sold it when I sold my agency, but you can see this is me in all of these videos. And these are about 6 years old. And this one has about 175,000 views. Kind of crazy. Look, second person that I read your comment, how to promote your business locally. If I had known what I do now about what local business owners need, I could have made a way better video. You should go watch this video. It's not that good. B, I would have actually known how to nurture that into a sale for either a CRM or Facebook ads, or nowadays an AI or an automation build, right? And you'll notice that all of my top videos here are more broad, like talking to local businesses, not a specific niche. We'll talk about that in a second. My top one that's orthodontic specific was this, orthodontic marketing in 2020. Dominate your local market with these strategies. Look at this video.
How's it going, orthodontist? My name's...
Oh my gosh, look at that kid. I'm literally in my parents' basement in this video. Again, you can come watch this video. It's not that good. I really don't know a ton about what I'm talking about. I did make way better content down the line, but as you'll see, they didn't really get that many views. But it didn't matter because they were the right views. Even with 1,000 views on the 7 most effective marketing strategies for orthodontists and dentists, if I get 1% of people that watch this video to reach out, that's 10 calls. And if they watch one video and they're like, oh, this guy seems to know what he's talking about, and then they go watch my customer interviews. Oh, we got them 89 additional consultations in 4 months. That's really cool. Oh, they spent a year with us and he got a 7x ROI. That's pretty cool. I'd love to do that. I literally had a client that signed up for a call and referenced this exact interview that I had done with one of my previous clients and said, I identified with everything in there and essentially just, how do I sign up on that sales call? And you'll see I didn't have this crazy, like, sophisticated funnel or anything. Literally, I would just link to my website, and the website right now is going to redirect to the company that bought mine. But the website was engineered for people to find out who we were, watch a video, sign up for a call. So we would book calls through this. You could also give away something for free in the video and then nurture them through email on the back end. That's the more sophisticated, kind of quote unquote better strategy, but there's absolutely no reason you can't just start out with a calendar booking link here. So to answer this person, how are the local business owners just going to happen to find your contact and take the initiative to buy from you? Not only are they searching on YouTube, they're searching on Google, and Google and YouTube are like in bed together. My YouTube stuff, like if I search this, I'm going to go incognito window. I'm going to search best marketing for orthodontists. This is the company that bought mine. They're showing up at the top. Oh, who's on the front page of Google? Look at me. I'm so famous because I took the initiative to make a couple YouTube videos. I'm going to show you this and a few other niches so you believe that this works wherever. Here's an example of this guy spoke at the High Level Summit a couple of years ago, and he talked about making big money from a small YouTube channel. He gets a ton of business through this YouTube channel. He's doing between $5 and $10 million a year, and he just interviews his clients, gives advice on how to run Facebook ads, how to build an offer. I think his offer is sort of positioned to be very different than the gym launches of this space. And he's built a massive business off of it. It's mostly coaching, and then he sells them the AI and CRM tools on the back end using HighLevel. Next one, friend of mine, Graydon. He has a brother named Jordan. Their dad is a med spa owner. They have a med spa marketing agency, and they've got 2.6K subscribers on here. He's not like incredibly consistent. Looks like he started it back up, but I know he travels a lot. And you know what's the best part about this is not even like people finding you randomly, is that when you're doing outreach or you're building an email list or you're interacting in Facebook groups, you could just copy the YouTube videos you made and then they'll go binge the rest of your channel. It's like this massive thing that does all of the selling for you. So these were the 3 channels I wanted to show you, like just off the top of my head, that I know are absolutely crushing it, because I know the business numbers. I interviewed these guys on my channel. It was a couple years ago, and I'm sure they're doing great still now. But just to show you, like, this can work in any niche. If I search, let's say like roofer marketing, look, Hook Agency. I've never heard of these guys, but they have 40,000 subscribers and they help roofers and other home service businesses. You could see the strategy that they're doing. Looks like mostly interviews, that type of thing. And who do you think's watching this? Yeah, marketers are watching it, but also roofing people are watching it. And I can guarantee they're getting business through this. Let's do another one that I think is probably like very untapped. Excavation company marketing. Ooh, excavation marketing pros. Look at these guys. Oh, he's not getting very many views. His thumbnails are not great. If you're watching this video, talk to me. I'll help you with your thumbnails. If you want to compete with this guy and go to the excavation niche, you can totally beat these titles and thumbnails. It's not hard whatsoever. So now let's go back to this initial question, which I think is super important. The thing with posting content is, like, as a beginner, you don't really have much experience or know what to talk about that would get clients to convert. If we go back to this channel, I sort by my oldest. This was the very first video I ever made when I had very little experience, but I knew generally what I wanted to sell, and I'd listened to enough other people that I could sort of articulate, hey, this is what I want to sell. I think I'd sold 1 orthodontist when I made this. So this is the result that I sort of teased at the beginning of the video. If you don't have any results or testimonials, you just need to make the first video, and do not make it for people to find you online. You just need to make 1 video, and then you can figure out what the rest of the videos are going to be. And here's the key with the first video. You don't make it one that you're hoping people are going to find you online. I didn't think anyone was going to search and find marketing for orthodontists. I didn't think orthodontists would be watching this video. However, because I titled it kind of properly on accident, people ended up finding it. But that wasn't the point. The point was I was talking to a bunch of people in the DMs, and I just wanted to show them what was working and what the system was like. And when I would send them this video, even though it wasn't that good, even though I barely had any experience, I kid you not, they would say, wow, that video was awesome. How can we watch? I'll show you proof of this right now. Let me pull it up. I DM'd this guy my 1-question survey script. We had a little bit of a chat. You can pause and read this if you want. And then I said this: yes, most important thing is understanding how to create a funnel within Facebook that works for you. Get people to raise their hand saying they're interested, and then retarget them and continue to follow up with them. Then I sent the video. This is a video I created outlining the process. I live and breed ortho marketing, work with orthodontists all across the country. I was a little bit more advanced at this point. Maybe if you're not, then just don't say that part. Literally an hour later, great video. I'll definitely follow up with you. And I ended up closing him. We worked together for like 6 months. So the point is not that you're going to be getting so much business through this that you won't be able to handle it. It's that you'll be able to use these assets in the other places that you're doing outreach, and it will immediately position you as an authority. And if you want to get really fancy and you're getting enough views on your videos, eventually you create a lead magnet, people opt in for it, and then you email them over and over again to get them to book a call. That's how I grew my agency. Guys, if you want help growing your business where you attract people to you instead of having to constantly DM them and chase them, consider joining my community. It's free when you sign up for High Level below. See you there.